The world is never going to be the same again.
I'm worried about the world.
The mass chaos and crises that there was in the world, it's going to be just like that now.
This is not an accident.
How long is it going to last? Longer than even for those of you that have some cash in the bank, way past your cash reserves.
Out of 100 people, 4 will get the message.
This thing isn't going to be over in a few weeks. This thing isn't going to be over in a few months. The world is never going to be the same again.
Grand Rising family, how y'all doing today? Want to welcome you to another episode of Max Crypto News, where we talk about these intangible coins at all times, family. Listen, family, if you're not subscribed to Bittrex on YouTube, make sure you hit that thumb up button, you hit that subscribe button, and also, family, make sure you hit that notification bell so whenever I go live or drop a video, you will get notified, family. Listen, family, today is a great day. If you are into crypto and you are not in the Max Advanced Crypto class, family, you are missing out. Hey, listen, email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com so you can get enrolled in Max Advanced Crypto class, family. Family, that class right now is setting people up so when we go in the year 2021, we will be maximizing this crypto market and we will be able to be making great returns on our investment, and we will all be sitting back looking at it every day, family, right? With that being said, family, you know, like we do, we always want to jump right into this market and we want to talk about what's been going on in this market as we see it, family, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna share my screen and we're gonna jump right into it, family, right? So off the gate, we're gonna talk about a little bit news. We're gonna do a little bit different today. You know that it says Russian hackers broke into federal agency you officials suspect, right? And one of the most sophisticated and perhaps largest hacks in more than 5 years, email systems were breached at the Treasury and Commerce departments. Other breaches are under investigation, family. So it says the Trump administration has acknowledged that hackers on behalf of a foreign government, they saying that they was in Russia, broke into a range of key government networks, including in the Treasury and Commerce departments, and had free access to their emails, family. This is an article in the New York Times. You can come get this article and you can read it. But basically, the U.S. Treasury has been hacked, family. So if they are attacking our monetary system, the U.S. Treasury, family, things are looking very dire, family. Also, on a bit of good news for Bitcoin, Mass Mutual Bitcoin purchase proves crypto demand is rising, according to J.P. Morgan. Now listen, let me let y'all know, J.P. Morgan and a lot of these people was talking cash money trash about Bitcoin 5, 6, 7 years ago. They were not big adopters of this. They was talking, saying it's a fad, but now they are coming around and spending millions and millions of dollars into this industry, right? It says even a nominal investment from insurance firms and pension funds could be significant for Bitcoin, right? So we're gonna play this article real. I'm gonna let y'all listen to it, and we're gonna go from there, family.
Mass Mutual Bitcoin purchase proves crypto demand is rising, JP Morgan says. Mass Mutual's $100 million Bitcoin, BTC, purchase shows that the demand for cryptocurrency will be growing further, according to strategists at major investment bank JP Morgan. In an investor note on December 11, JP Morgan strategists including Nikolaos Panagiotis reportedly suggested that Bitcoin adoption is now expanding from family offices and wealthy investors to bigger investors like insurance firms and pension funds. As reported by Bloomberg, the experts said that insurance firms and pension funds are unlikely to invest large amounts in Bitcoin, but even a small shift toward crypto could be significant. If pension funds and insurance companies in the United States, Euro area, The United Kingdom and Japan allocate 1% of their assets to Bitcoin. Bitcoin demand would grow by an additional $600 billion, the strategists calculated. This is almost double Bitcoin's market capitalization, which stands at $356 billion at publishing time, according to data from CoinMarketCap. JP Morgan strategists wrote, MassMutual's Bitcoin purchases represent another milestone in the Bitcoin adoption by institutional investors. One can see the potential demand that could arise over the coming years as other insurance companies and pension funds follow MassMutual's example. Massachusetts-based insurance firm MassMutual announced on December 11 that the company bought $100 million in Bitcoin for its general investment account. MassMutual told Cointelegraph that the investment is part of a broad strategy with the goal of achieving measured yet meaningful exposure to a growing economic aspect of our increasingly digital world. MassMutual's foray into Bitcoin comes amid major institutional player MicroStrategy planning a $400 million securities offering to invest in BTC. MicroStrategy adopted Bitcoin as its primary asset after purchasing $425 million worth of Bitcoin in August and September.
So family, now you have these pension funds and everybody are investing. Insurance firms and pension funds are starting to invest in Bitcoin. This is a domino effect. When one lead, the rest will follow, family, right? So let's keep going with the news, right? Here's some more news. PayPal stocks hits new high as e-commerce Bitcoin trading rally continues. So after PayPal has announced that they will be allowing Bitcoin on their site, their stocks has now been rallying to a new high. It says e-commerce firm PayPal Holdings is the IBD stock of the day on hitting an all-time high after a recent breakout from a cut base. PayPal stock has advanced since it joined rival Square in allowing customers to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrency Bitcoin. PayPal stock hit an all-time high of $223.16 in intraday trading on Monday before pulling back a bit to close at $220.79, up 3.1% with Monday's gain. PayPal stock moved back above a cut base buy point of $215.93, family. So we all know that once PayPal announced that they will be allowing Bitcoin to be purchased on their site, that it was going to go up. Now, that is great news, and the fact that the stocks is going up, you can expect the stock market to be rising all this week. The stocks are going to have a great week, and this is using common sense, current events, and calculations. The current event is that this vaccine is out. The calculations is that they just passed for Pfizer to start sending them out to all 50 states, and this first woman took the vaccine in New York today. Common sense, calculations, current events. This means that the stock market is going to explode. It's going to rise, right? But that's for a stock class. Today we're talking about crypto. All right, so let's keep going. Here goes some more news. Sweden explores moving to a digital currency. So let's listen to this article, right?
Sweden explores moving to a digital currency. Sweden's government will start exploring the feasibility of having the country move to a digital currency, marking another step into the unknown for the world's most cashless society. Per Boland, Financial Markets Minister, said a review launched on Friday is expected to be completed by the end of November in 2022. Anna Kinberg Batra, a former chairwoman of the Riksbank's Finance Committee, will lead the inquiry. Sweden is among the first countries in the world to consider introducing a digital currency. Its central bank is already running a pilot project with Accenture plc to introduce an electronic krona based on the same blockchain technology that underpins digital currencies like Bitcoin. Governor Stephen Ng said in October that any decision on whether to issue a krona needs to be taken at the political level. From the point of view of the government, Bolin said that it's crucial that the digitalized payments market functions safely, and that it's available to everybody. Depending on how a digital currency is designed and which technologies are used, it can have large consequences for the entire financial system, he said. The Riksbank estimated in October that Sweden's cash usage dropped to its lowest level ever, as the pandemic accelerates the shift away from banknotes and coins. Less than 10% of all payments are made with cash in Sweden, according to the bank's research. The Bank for International Settlements estimated back in 2018 that Sweden is the world's most cashless society, measured as usage as a percentage of gross domestic product. World's most cashless economy starts testing its own e-currency. Swedish lawmakers call for government review on digital krona.
Family, so Sweden is exploring to move into digital currency, family. Now y'all know I done a video about the Great Reset, one and the Great Reset Part 2. You can go to NCRBGZ Productions on YouTube to catch them 2 videos. And you know, the Great Reset and this digital currency is all moving hand in hand, family. The thing of it is with this Great Reset, or with the reset in the way things are going, cryptocurrency and those that's involved in cryptocurrency have an opportunity to change the wealth, meaning that some people are going to lose money and some people are going to gain. What side of the spectrum are you going to be on? Are you going to be on the side that gains and lift your family up in a positive way economically if you're not already there? Or are you going to be on the side where you lose and come back down? This is what's happening, family, with this crypto, right? Again, family, if you're not enrolled in Max Advanced Crypto class, you need to email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. Pay that $99 and get enrolled in this class, family, because 2021 is going to be epic. And we're going into a new paradigm shift, and you want to be prepared, family, right? So let's keep moving, right? Next, let's go to coin market cap, family. Let me refresh my screen. Let's see what's going on. The market cap is $565 billion. Looking good. BTC dominance is 63.4%. Bitcoin is at $19,329, holding strong, moving sideways. Ethereum at $588. XRP back up to 50 cents, right? Litecoin at $83. Bitcoin Trash at $277. Chainlink at $12. Cardano ADA at 15 cents. Polkadot at $4.92. You got Binance Coin making that power move up to $30. Binance is looking strong, family. Then you got Stellar at 17 cents, right? So that's our top 11, right? Let's see what some of the biggest movers are today. See some of the biggest gainers and losers for the day. How we looking with that? I ain't done this in a while. In 24 hours, basis shares is up 147.85%. Delta chip up 128.6%. New Finance is up 126.5%. Rope up 125.43%. You got some DeFi Hold up 87.26%. You know, you got some, a lot of unnamed products. Let's see what's down. This X down 99.41%. Yeah, these are a lot of unknown names for me. Yeah, I don't know nothing about none of these right here. These ain't on my hit list. Now, all right, so let's take it to the charts, family. Let's look at some charts. Fam, listen, if you're not subscribed to Bittrex on YouTube, family, listen, click the link, go to Bittrex on YouTube, and subscribe to the channel, family. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. Leave a comment, leave a like. Let me know what you think, family, right? All right, so let's go to Bitcoin. Let's check out the chart. Let's look at BTC. Looking good. Looking good. We at this era of resistance. We're actually above this resistance line, right? Are we above it? No, we was above it. We came back down. We're still looking good. You know, after we pumped and got up here, we've been moving sideways. Yeah, we got above that. No, we ain't made a new high today. We got close to it though. So, you know, we got a little bullish cross right here. All right, so we was oversold, but we got back in the RSI. Volume looking good. So let's check out the 30-minute chart, family. Oh, the 30-minute chart just moving sideways, family. Just moving sideways, which is a good sign. We stand within these two zones, this resistance, and now this has become support. So we're within the resistance and support. We just wait on, I think it's Bitcoin wait on some news that's going to either send it one way or the other, right? 5-minute chart. I don't want to do the 5-second. I want to do the 5-minute. Yeah, the 5-minute chart, same way. Basically just moving sideways. We're looking sideways. Bitcoin looking good, family. You know, we're just moving sideways. It's always good when you're moving sideways because it shows some stability. Well, right now, let's take a little bit. Let's see what's going on with Ethereum. See how Ethereum looking. Let's take it to the 1 hour. Chart don't look right to me. The 5-minute. Look at the 5-minute chart on Ethereum. It's been doing some pumping, but it's still moving up. But this 5-minute, you know, we can put that here. So with this 5-minute with Ethereum, if we can stay moving like this, that's a good sign. Stay within this range, cause we constantly moving up. You know, we don't make no lower low, but we can. Well, we have made a higher high. So Ethereum looking okay. Let me get to the see how the 30-minute chart look. Yeah, the 30-minute looking good too. Got a little bullish cross right here. As long as we stay, don't go under here. I think we looking good. Let's see how Litecoin looking today. I ain't drew that on Litecoin in a little while. Well, in the hourly chart, Litecoin looking good too. Everything looking good, family. You can see it's making its move. Litecoin actually on the path to $90. It made a higher high, 83. I feel like Litecoin on the way to $90. Easy. Bullish cross. You're not oversold in the RSI. Yeah. As long as this candle would get above here. I mean, Litecoin looking good. What about XRP? XRP at 50 cent. Got over that resistance here. Yeah, we got above that resistance. Basically trying to move. Let's look at NEXO. Look like NEXO got up out of, where is this? Hold up. 1 hour. Oh, NEXO got up out of here. Fell down to 48, but it's moving back. I might as well eat you now. But it's still looking good though. It didn't recover. Bullish cross. Nice fight back right here. We'll see how it look tomorrow. Family, it's at 53 cent. NEXO still moving good. Let's look at ADA. ADA got some great changes coming. That's gonna make ADA. Oh, look at it. ADA getting up in there. Look at that. It's knocking down these, hit this support. Hit that support. Bounce back. ADA looking good, family. ADA is looking real good. Yeah, it's looking good. I'm not even gonna draw nothing. That's looking good, family. It's due for a breakout. It ain't really had a pump, never. ADA has really never pumped. It has really never pumped. Well, how did I get there? I don't know what happened there, but ADA has never really pumped. You go to the all-time. $0.30, really? That's really it, family. 88 is due. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all. 88 is due, family. It's due. But with that being said, family, I appreciate y'all for taking time out to watch this episode of Max Crypto News. I look forward to seeing y'all on the next video. Like the video, share the video, and send me an email at maxcryptonews@gmail.com so you can get enrolled in this advanced crypto class, family. With that being said, peace, family. I'll catch y'all on the next video. And I love y'all. We'll do it all over again. Peace.